Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change or delete music on Instagram post. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account on which you just want to change the music of that specific post. So head over to your profile icon. Once you're there, just head over to the create your first. Once you are there, just add any post you want and then click on next. And then if you have already added music from here and you just want to delete it, just go back to the here you are able to see the music you just have added. So there will be a cross option on the right beside of it, so click on it and the music is deleted, and just click on share. But if you have already shared the post or made the post with that specific song and you just want to delete it or change it, so there's currently no other way other than deleting that specific post and reposting again without music. So yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next one.